The website that I chose to review is called aplusmath.com. As you can see, I'm on the addition worksheet right now, but if we go back, we can go to the main screen. This is what the main screen looks like. There's options for different math activities, which are worksheets, flashcards, homework helper, and games. And there's also, a little bit further down, there is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractions, geometry, and algebra. So all of these can be helpful for teachers because they can come to this website to get maybe different worksheets that they don't already use in class, or even additional information that can help students in a different way. There's games on this website, so that can also be useful for students. There's homework helper, which is as well useful for students. Teachers could give students this as a tablet, and then they can go and do the flashcards themselves, or they can do those at home. They also have worksheets that these basically help the teacher create worksheets, and then there's also worksheets offered for the teacher. There is addition, subtraction, multiplication. So if you click on addition, which is the screen I was just on, it gives you math cards, traditional math flashcards. There's hidden picture. These are all different games that the kids can play. And then further down would be like worksheet generators, answer checker, things like that. And like there's options for like the online additional online worksheets, things like that. Under the About tab, there is when the website was founded. There's no mention of the NCTM standards on here, so that's why I would rank this website to be about a 7, just because there are like helpful things like the worksheets and the games and things like that, but there is not any of the standards, so a teacher would kind of have to determine what goes with what standard if they were trying to specify their teaching just to one standard or to like a list of standards. Also, I don't really like that there's like these pop-ups on the side that kids could click on, just because sometimes you don't know where they're going to go to. But overall, I think it's a good website, and there's a lot to offer, and it can be especially helpful with teachers trying to get out of the students' comfort zone for what they're used to learning for math. They can get a little bit more outside influence on what they're learning. And that is my website review.